You need a seating chart. So you plan it out. You're not just getting there and people are going, oh, where we're going to sit. Just sit there, sit there, sit there. I think it's nice to have it planned out.
And because everybody asks, you have to answer and usually just say, oh, sit anywhere. And then no one feels comfortable to sit down first.
Right.
Everybody thinks this is only for weddings. No, it's actually what you should do when you're entertaining.
And you know what I like to do with people's names too? If you have your name in front of their place.
Right.
You put their name on the other side too. So whoever's sitting across from them knows who they're talking to.
Knows the name of the... I know, it's the little things. I told you, he's good at this.
So this is seating, my friend Lizzie Tish, who's a big Jedi seating master, she has this saying, if you sleep together, you don't sit together.
That's true.
So it's nice
and that's classic etiquette. You don't put couples together, you pepper them.
You see your spouse or your boyfriend or girlfriend all the time, so why not spread the love, especially if you're the hostess. You want to put, the host or the hostess at the head here, so you guys can talk and everyone gets a chance to hang out with the host and hostess.
And when you think about it, everybody does do this. They often put half of, one at each end of the table, but that's what you're trying to do with all your guests.
Exactly.
Too. Right.
And you know what I also like to do? I like to put the extrovert right in the middle because they are
Let them do their job.
Yeah, well, they're the people, all the energy's gonna go to them and they're gonna branch out to everybody else.
Right.
So you put the extrovert, the charmer on the other side, the fascinator. These people are gonna pull the party energy to the front.
Gotcha.
The opinionator, they're gonna, you want these people in the middle, and the introverts you can sort of put on the end.
You gotta put the introverts on the end where they feel nested with the host and the hostess.
That's right. That's right. I think a punch for a party is fantastic because
I love that punches are coming back.
Punches are great. They're great because they're pre-made. You don't have to make cocktails for every single person.
It's budget friendly.
Yes.
It's beautiful to look at.
They can serve themselves.
And it's an activity. They can serve themselves. Right.
This is, you take old deli cups, you fill them with ice.
Now that's practical.
This has lemons and cranberries. You pop them in. They also last.
A giant ice cube. And everybody has a deli cup.
Yes. So we're adding one whole bottle of vodka. And I mean, with a lot of people, this isn't that much.
Primer on champagne. You pull the bottle away from the cork gently. You do not try and make this soar across the room or you're going to get sued by one of your guests. And it should sound like, I forget which movie made the joke or which comedian, but it should sound like a nun passing gas in church. It should not make any noise. You see that?
Yes.
That's how that should roll. Some in the bottom of the bottle if you're pouring by the glass, and you tilt the glass sideways.
Oh, wait, we're gonna do that.
Do it at the end?
Do that.
But can I put the whole one?
Yeah. So we're gonna add this is simple syrup, cranberries, cloves, cinnamon. It's a really nice
it's like
warm,
mulled, kind of like mulled wine
for
flavors?
the winter holiday. For the winter time, it's nice and warms you up. So we're gonna add some of that. It's gonna give a nice color to it.
Ooh, look at that.
We're gonna add lemon juice.
And it has the pectin, so it gives it a little viscosity.
And then we're gonna add
then lemon juice.
Champagne.
Should we put it out just like this and top with champagne or put the champagne in?
No, top with champagne in here.
Right in here is fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I want to garnish with these lemons and cranberries. And once these start also melting, it's going to...
The cranberries will start running free.
Yes.
Woo! Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Would you like a little of your punch, my darling?
Sure.
It's a party that packs a punch, baby.
It sure does. Punches are back. This is I always love to do living tablescapes. So during the party or during the dinner before or after, you can eat the tablescape. So this is really, really fun. I mean, you've got edible fruit, you've got pears, you've got nuts. There are lots
pomegranates,
of herbs,
fresh herbs.
As you sit there, you can smell.
Bay dries beautifully. All these herbs you can turn upside down and dry them.
I also like to take a pomegranate and you can just break it open like that, and you can just keep it open. And these keep for hours.
Gorgeous. Yeah, well, they actually keep for weeks in the fridge too, right?
Yeah, but out on the table, it looks so pretty.
They're gorgeous. They're just gorgeous. It looks like jewels spilling across the table.
Even after dinner, when the dessert comes out and someone doesn't really want to, especially after the holidays and you're watching your weight and you want to be better, this is a better alternative. Some fruit and nuts are nice to have, as a cleanser.
And it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
So pretty to look at.